Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be playing a little bit of Loaded Resurgence Casuals. Drop in the comments how many eliminations should I get in the next video. Right there. And while you're at it, can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of the year. I would really appreciate that. Okay. 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 Oh, holy moly! I just got something to show.